Hi my wonderful subscribers. Today I am going to discuss about convert enum into comma separated strings. Convert enum into comma separated string. So now we're going to create on this enum and month. Suppose this is a month and which is type of raw value. This is the integer and which is type of integer enum case. Suppose this is a Jan is equal to sub index is 0 Jan Feb and March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, now create on this enum and convert into comma separated strings. So now we're going to create on this functions enum convert into comma separated strings string. Okay, and which is type of this is a months, which is type of array of months. Okay, and now return on this strings in this function. Now return strings. Okay, now firstly this is a let int value is equal to months dot map. Apply on this map function. So map, and in this map that is used to filtering. Suppose this is a $0 dot raw value. Okay, now let joined value is equal to int value and dot map strings $0. Now string is $0 and dot joined method in joint separated sequence. This is the joint and separated sequence comma separated strings. Okay, now return joined value, and now in this functions use let s is equal to array of months and is equal to empty. Suppose this is a months dot January dot Feb dot. Okay, now we're gonna convert on this let converted value is equal to enum s print converted value. Now this type of this error, so cannot assign to month, sorry in this type of this value, and this. Okay, no month dot Feb, month dot March. Okay, 0 1 2. This is the strings value. Now which is type is string, not a enum. This is the month, which is type of enum, and this is a string. Suppose this raw value is string and this is a strings raw value. Now print on this strings and Jan Feb March, and this is a convert on this string. This is a strings comma separated string, not a enum. Thanks for watching this video.